Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Mondiship. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 14 of annual term examination, and our SW number will be 10. My dear student, our today's topic name is exercise 11A. From exercise 11A, we shall solve 4, 6 and 9 number word problem as your CW, and word problem number 5, 7 and 8 will be your SW. So my dear student, let us start our class. I have already write the question on the board. Okay, 4, 6 and 9. Okay, so we shall solve now. Number 4 first. At first we read the question. Please notice the question. Latif went to a market and bought 3.5 kg of rice, 8 hectogram of vegetables and 2400 gram of meat. How many kilogram of items did he buy? My dear student, Latif, a boy who went to market. After going to market, he bought 3.5 kg rice, vegetables 8 hectogram, meat 2400 gram. Okay, my dear student, please notice rice 3.5 kg, vegetables 8 hectogram and meat 2400 gram. The amount of items are in different unit. One is kg, another is hectogram, and the last one is gram. We need to convert that unit into one unit to add. But the question asks you to find out the answer in kg, that means kilogram. So we need to convert this unit into kilogram. Here rice is 3.5 kg. So we need not to convert this because it already is in kg, 3.5 kg. Then vegetables 8 hectogram. So we convert this 8 hectogram into kg. After that meat 2400 grams. So we want to convert this gram into kg also. After converting the articles in kg, then we do addition. After that we get the answer. I hope you have understood how to solve this math. My dear student, it is an important topic. When you want to solve an odd problem, you must make a plan how to solve that problem. You can make a plan, then it is easier for you to solve that problem. So 4 number question. First of all, we write given that. Given that. Okay. Given that Latif bought Latif bought 3.5 kg of rice. Okay, we need not to convert this amount into kg because already rice is in kg unit. Okay, then he bought 8 hectogram of vegetables. Here vegetable is in hectogram, so we want to convert this hectogram into kg. So now we show that chart that have already discussed our previous class. So which is kilo hectodeca, and a box which contains meter, liter, gram. Okay, meter is used to measure distance, liter is used to measure the weight of liquid, and gram is used to measure the weight of solid. Kilo hectodeca, meter, liter, gram, deci, centi, milli. Deci, centi, milli. Okay, my dear student, we want to convert hectogram into kilogram. Notice how many hectogram equal to 1 kilogram. Notice after kilogram there is only one step to go, hectogram. So we can easily say that 10 hectogram equal to 1 kilogram. So if we divide this 8 by 10, then we get the required amount of kg. So 8 divided by 10 kg of vegetables. And you must give here a side note that 10 hectogram equal to 1 kg. Now we do division. If we divide 8 by 10, then we get 0.8 kg. How can? Please notice 10. and 8. In 8, 10 goes in 0 times, 0, 10s are 0, then division, subtract, we get 8. Now this time we give a point. For this point I give here 0. So 80. In 80, 10 goes in 8 times. That means 8 tens are 80. So 0.8 is the required amount of kg. I hope you have understood. Okay. 0.8 kg of vegetables. Done. Okay. Now and he bought 2400 gram of meat. Okay, now we want to convert this gram into kg. Notice, in order to go in gram, how many steps is needed to go? Kilo, hecto, deca, meter. So for kilo I write here 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. So 30. So 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. So we divide this 2400 by 100 and we get the amount in kg. But we must give here a side note. 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. I hope you have understood. Now we do division, and if we divide this 2400 by 1000, then we get 2.4 kg of meat, right? Okay, now my dear student, I do addition. That means in total Latif bought 3.5 kg rice. So here I write 3.5, then 0.8 kg of vegetables and 2.4 kg of items. Okay, now we do addition. 4 plus 8 ones place, that means 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 5, that means 17. From 17 I write here 7 carrying 1. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 0 3 and 3 6. So 6.7 kg of items. As our solution is done, we must write answer 6.7 kg. My dear student, please notice, this is a very important question for you, because based on this problem a CBQ will be prepared for your annual exam. So please learn this problem very carefully. Okay, next question, question number 6. So easy question. At first we read the question. There are 8 people and their total weight is 451.2 kg. What is the average weight in hectogram of these 8 people? That means, my dear student, average weight. So we have already learned this average in chapter 8. What is the formula of average? The formula of average is sum of quantity divided by the number of quantity. Here sum of quantity is what? 451.2 kg and number of quantity is 8 people. So if we divide this 451 by 451.2 by 8, then we get the average weight. But the question asks us to find out the answer in hectogram. So at first we convert this kg into hectogram. After that we divide that hectogram by 8 people and we get the required number of average weight. Okay, I hope you have understood. So first of all, as usual, we write given that. Given that. Here, given that there are 8 people. There are 8 people. Okay. And their total weight. Total weight. That means sum of quantity. Total weight is 451.2 kg. Okay. So we convert this kg into hectogram, cause the answer, the question asks you to find out the answer in hectogram. So 1 kg equal to how many hectogram? 10. So if we multiply this 451.2 kg by 10, then we get the unit in hectogram. So 451.2 multiply 10 hectogram. So here we must give an side note. 1 kg equal to 10 hectogram. Okay, you must give this side note. Okay, now we do a multiplication. Here we use easy multiplication process. So we multiply this 4512 by 1 without point. So 4512 on the 4512, and this 0 is placed here, and notice after point there is only one digit. So where will be the point? The point will be after 2, because after point there is only one digit, which is 0, and this 0 is negligible. Okay, so their total weight is 4512 hectogram. Okay, now we find out the average weight. Now therefore the average weight is sum of quantities divided by number of quantities. So 4512, that means 4512 hectogram divided by 8 hectogram. So here we show the division procedure. So 8 here, dividend is 4512. In 45, 8 goes in 5 times. 5 8s are 40. After subtracting, then we get 5, and 1 is placed here. In 51, 8 goes in 6 times. 6 8s are 48, and subtract, we get 3. This 2 is placed here. In 32, 8 goes in how many times? It goes in 4 times. That means 4 8s are 32. And finally we subtract, we get 0. So if we divide this 4512 by 8, then we get 564 hectogram, and this is the answer. As our solution is done, we must write answer. Okay, 564 hectogram. So this is done. Next we shall solve our last question, which is question number 9. Notice this is similar as question number 6. A family used up a tank of 20 liter drinking water in 8 days. Okay, in average, how many deciliters of water did they use a day? That means in 8 days a family used 20 liter drinking water. So every day, that means in one day. In one day a family used how many liter? We divide this 20 by 8 and we get the required amount of liter. But the question asks you to find out the answer in deciliter. So first of all you need to convert this liter into deciliter. Okay, after converting it into deciliter, then you divide that deciliter by 8 days and you get the amount of drinking water that is used by a family in one day. Okay, 9 number question. So here we write in one day a family used 20 liter drinking water. Okay, there in one day, not one day, in 8 days. So sorry, in 8 days. Therefore in one day a family used, we do division, that means 20 divided by 8 liter drinking water. Okay, we do division, that means here divisor is 8 and dividend is 20. In 28 goes in 2 times. 2 8s are 16. If we subtract, then we get 4. We give here point. For this point here is 0. In 48 goes in 5 times. that means 40. So 2.5 liter, 2.5 liter drinking water. But the question asks us to find out the answer in deciliter. Okay, so what is the have you remembered the chart? Kilo, hectodeca, meter, liter, gram and decicentimeter. So after liter there is one step to go deciliter. So if we multiply this 2.5 by 10, then we get liter into deciliter unit. Okay, 2.5 multiply 10 DL. DL means deciliter, drinking water. Okay, we multiply 2.1 by 1 without point, that means 25, and this 0 is placed here. After point there is only one digit, so here we placed point after 5, that means 25 deciliter of drinking water, and it is the answer. Answer 25 deciliter. Dear student, I hope you have understood. Next question number 5, 7 and 8 will be your SW. My dear student, these three problems are so easy, just like question number 6 and 9. Just like question number 6 and 9. You read this question carefully. After that you convert. At first you read the questions very carefully. Then you can easily find what the question asks you to find out the answer in which unit. After converting that unit, you do division or multiplication, then you get the required amount of answer. Okay. So my dear student, you must submit your assigned SW in every Saturday within 9 am to 3 pm. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.